Good, so I'll come this time only. I'll come on the motorcycle. I will park on a motorcycle. Yes. ये बिल्डिंग का नाम क्या है? फिरोज बिल्डिंग ना. My friend is still living.
I've seen you zipping around in your CRV or I think on near Bandra somewhere.
Yeah. So, come, please sit.
I said my wife said because I said okay, it's not.
Yeah, I think that's good enough.
Yeah.
That's good. Thank you so much.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
John, I'm going to need one too, you know. I'm going to say what I want to be in terms of the body and what I like. Need to make sure you take this very clearly, yeah?
Yeah.
Make sure you highlight all my biceps also.
She's happy.
Sweet. I'm not going to be going to sleep tonight.
I'm happy somebody else has made her day.
That's so sweet. I'm sure you're the reason for our happiness. That's awesome.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Thanks, John. Thank you so
Pleasure.
much.
Thank you. See you.
Bye.
What's that?
That's the jam and
That is so sweet. I love jam.
chili jam, sir.
Oh, chili jam.
Like it or sweet only?
Moshe's special. Okay, let's check it out. Really interesting. Thank you. Fun. Do that, you can play around with the car. I call myself a Bombayite. Now I'm supposed to call myself a Mumbaiker. Either way, I'm happy in this city because I think it's a great city. I really enjoy this city because the people are very, very courteous. They're fun, they're nice, they're easy. I'm talking about the actual Mumbaikars. I like the fact that it's multicultural. No one really cares at the end of the day where they come from because it's about business, it's about opportunity. And this is the only industry where you don't care whether you're Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikh, Jew. It really doesn't matter. Venki has been with me from Jusum. How Venki started working with me because he said the magic words. Jusum. He said John is superb in the movie.
My makeup person, Venki, when he started shooting with me, he did not have a single tattoo on his body. Right now, he's about 60% covered with tattoos. In another 4 years, the only thing you probably see on his face are his teeth, because you can't tattoo his teeth.
Venki's massage is better. He massages really well.
Better than the makeup, no? Say.
That is sexy Sapna.
Our job is to make our star look beautiful, so women go. That's the goal.
That is awesome.
This is what we have to look at every day. It's so difficult being a hairdresser, you know.
Sapna for me is like family. Whether she does anything with her hair or no, it doesn't matter. I need to see her lovely dimples and a beautiful face around. Yes!
This t-shirt.
Are you serious? You did that?
Because you moved.
But it'll come off,
It's
no?
already off.
Shall we? Have you met the Hammer brothers?
Yeah, exactly.
Jack Hammer and Slick.
I feel liberated with short hair. I would like to buzz my hair. I'd like to have a military cut because I think it shows more of your face.
Come in, no? So there are no flies coming. Yeah.
Those guys are crying. They're saying that if we can take the earlier flight.
What is the earlier flight?
6 o'clock.
Yeah, we'll take the 6 o'clock Kingfisher.
Malay. This used to look so high when I was a kid. house.
It's here only.
Yeah. It's on the left hand side. See, that's the graveyard we used to be there. Okay.
Where's the graveyard?
Yeah. See, you see that? That's the grave.
Oh, what a beautiful place.
Yeah,
And there's a
this much is
Maidan.
Yeah, this much. And this is my colony. This is where I stay.
This one?
Yeah.
Press and clay.
Yeah.
Yeah, very good, yeah. Very pretty.
Ew.
Bullet. You want to do lunch together, Bharti? We all have lunch together? Okay. Huh? So you want to just freshen up and then I'll just have got a interview to do at 12. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
I'll be honest, John हमारी तरह नहीं है. उसकी body देख लो, उसका lifestyle देख लो, उसके bikes देख लो. Okay. But Siddharth से मेरी तरह.
ना तो खून है, ना तो कोई विलन है, ना तो मारपीट है, कुछ नहीं है इसमें. It's just a very clean film.
See, actually, honestly, 4-5 दिन पहले तक I was also very nervous कि क्या होगा. First one. But then I saw the film. It's a beautiful film.
मुझे डरने लगता है अगर जॉन की फिल्म में डरेगा तो वो डरेगा मैं क्यों
But these cookies are unbelievable.
Yummy, na?
But it's actual, I mean, this is just like this in this area.
बहुत साल पहले पंजाबी एल्बम में आप आए थे.
हंसराज हंस.
हाँ.
के पीछे
जॉन, सबसे पहले तो आपको बहुत सी मुबारक के दिवाली पे आप एक बहुत अच्छा गिफ्ट दे रहे हैं. झूठा ही सही, पर गिफ्ट सच्चा है.
ये गिफ्ट सच्चा है. मेरा लुक जो है इसमें बहुत ही अलग लुक है और मुझे डर इस बात का ये है कि शायद इस फिल्म के बाद जिन लोगों ने मुझे दोस्ताना में पसंद करी शायद इसके बाद इससे ज्यादा इस लुक में पसंद करेगी क्योंकि ये बहुत ही रिलेटेबल लुक है. एक कॉमन मैन लुक है.
आपकी खामोशी से कुछ लाइनें मेरे को याद आ रही है कि उसकी गुमसुम सी सादगी पे मत जा, वो समंदर है तो फिर गहरा भी होगा. आप इतने बड़े एक इंडस्ट्री में जो सरवाइव कर रहे हैं और गॉडफादर भी नहीं है, इसके पीछे क्या क्या और कौन सी चीजें हैं जो आपको कहीं खामोश सादा दिल और बनाए रखती है?
जी, मैं एक मिडिल क्लास से आया हूँ. मेरे पास पैसा नहीं थे. बैंक में मेरे पास 550 रुपए थे. वहां से मैं शुरू हुआ और ट्रेड में हमारे इंडस्ट्री में लोगों ने मुझे कहा अरे ये फिल्म चलेगी, ये आपकी फ्लॉप हो जाएगी, क्या करोगे आप? मैंने कहा क्या होगा, मैं 550 रुपए के साथ आया था. जाऊंगा तो 0 रुपए के साथ कितना होगा मेरा लॉस? 550 रुपए. उससे ज्यादा क्या होगा? मैं सच में ऑडियंस को बहुत मानता हूँ क्योंकि उन लोग की वजह से मैं आज इस मुकाम तक पहुंचा हूँ. मेरा तो इंडस्ट्री में कोई गॉडफादर नहीं है. मेरे गॉडफादर्स मेरी ऑडियंस है. द ऑडियंस इज सो फेथफुल टू मी. मुझे इतना अच्छा लगता है कि इतना प्यार देते हैं कि मैं थोड़ा इमोशनल हो जाता हूँ. मैं बात नहीं कर सकता, मैं इमोशनल हो जाता हूँ.
first ramp show I did was, I don't remember. And I had to walk on the ramp and I had to go either left or right. And I asked a senior model before I was heading out on the ramp, what do I do when I go in front? Should I go left first or right? The edge of the ramp. And he sarcastically told me, should I put a traffic policeman there for you to show you directions? And I said, welcome John, welcome to the modeling world. 3 years after that I became the highest paid model. On the ramp, you're John Abraham walking the ramp. In films, you assume a different character every 3 months, 6 months. So films are definitely more exciting.
Chai, coffee, pee chukka. I'm still feeling sleepy.
Obviously, if you haven't slept, what can you do?
John, you understand, I was used to it. This was my life. I never used to sleep.
Don't be worried about it.
My kind of shape is not eating or sleeping. That's my shape.
I find you live a lifestyle like you every day.
If I had a lifestyle like you, I'd shoot myself. You don't eat, you don't drink, you don't smoke, party.
I think I should start doing something.
That's not fine.
If I had to choose one vice, what do you think? And give me an opinion that will not really destroy my health, but help me with a vice that I could do with. What is the one vice? Is it only drinking and smoking? Or should we still do something else?
Doing something else, but it's not a vice, you know, then it's a hobby. Like traveling. You know,
I was going to say. Yeah.
It's a hobby, yeah. No. People say that anything fun is either amoral, illegal, or fat. So I should have vice. And then one day, become a foodie. But I am a foodie. No, you're not, you're a fishy.
What food do you eat?
Okay, I'll tell you. One day just eat what I eat.
Rice I eat.
Fried food.
Fried food I eat.
Another thing, for one day. Not eating a cookie today because you said it was sinful.
This or that. See, I tell you what, this, your body does not require this. This I don't know.
Your body does not require any of the vice. Neither does it require smoke, or heroin, or alcohol. It doesn't. That's why it's a vice.
Think of some other vice. Cheating.
In what? Cheat on your exercise. Cheat on your diet.
See, very careful. He doesn't really cheat on your wife.
That's not a vice. That's a suicide mission. Gaurav, ready?
Chale? A lot of people tell me, in fact, my mom told me this, and a lot of people have told me, this is the first time a director's completely broken me down physically, because there is a certain physicality to John Abraham that's very obvious, and when you break someone down, it's either not pleasing to the eye or it's pleasing to the eye. And trust me, this works like magic. I thank Abbas for really not allowing me to go to the gym and making sure that I clean shave and I wear a pair of glasses and I don't do anything to my hair. We've got a look that's very, very special.
I'm having eggs.
Hello?
Don't disturb me.
Hello?
I'm speaking to people who are online, and you won't believe there are about 65,000 people online. So when I speak to one person, 65,000 people are hearing the same conversation.
Hi Bhaskar, how are you doing?
I'm fine, great, thanks.
Okay, Bhaskar, is there anything that you wanted to ask me?
Yes, just want to know how to decide that you made.
It's a combination of two things. One is I look at what I really want to do as an actor, and one is what I feel is the way the audience wants to see me. There is one actor in our industry who can make a difference to the kind of cinema that we are watching is Aamir Khan. But you must understand that Aamir Khan has been around from 1988. I came in 2003. I came 15 years after him. So I want to do exactly what Aamir is doing.
I want my qualitative filmography to grow rather than my quantitative, because I have a filmography that's sometimes not really flattering. So I have decided now to get my qualitative films really high up in terms of quotient, working with directors I really want to, understanding what commercial scripts are, at the same time experimenting as well. And put the hose in. Awesome shot. Beach shot.
What time is the next function? 7:30?
7:30.
अभी टाइम क्या हुआ है?
It's 5:45. Yeah, we'll go to the hotel or we'll go to the location. Where is the security, man? Tell that people to go ahead.
You'll get worse. There could be a chance I may go and lift out one of these guys.
These guys can...
This guy.
Yeah.
And the charisma. Foul language is used so often, and finally you're reaching out to Indian diaspora also across the thing. At the end of the day, even if it's an Indian gangster, he should not be shown in that bad a light. कि मतलब गाली पे गाली, you know what I'm saying? I'm saying freaking hell, the guy should be a hero, man. I mean, the gang should be freaking on par with Chinese. We should be busting their bums. I will not do the film if he's abusive. That is one thing I'm very clear about, because it's part of our culture. We can't. Because this is a film, we'll have many more films, inshallah.
John is like the best looking male in the whole film industry, and you know, he's just too good nature-wise, everything. Just love him for that.
Parking.
Control code very slow. There are people falling on the left. One touch of those people, we'll all be arrested. There's a camera.
Yes, I'll get you one picture.
What's going on?
Diwali is special for me because it's a festival of lights. I don't burst crackers. I don't gamble out of principle. I do not drink alcohol. So if you're asking someone who doesn't do all this, I really don't know what I do on Diwali. Spending a Diwali alone. Things are not going very good in my life. I was sitting alone. But maybe it'll go better now. I like my alone time. I like to be the master of my destiny. But we're not growing any younger. You'll always ask me, don't you want to have children someday? It's with a body like this, you don't need. I don't know. I feel sad. A lot of people even look at my house or think about the professional and say, you don't need to be alone. People who come and meet me for the John Abraham of films. For the person I am, I've got a few friends, they're all busy. No one has the time, everybody's got a family, everybody's I like spending time with my parents. They're my best.
bodybuilding. When we were in school, early college, we saw Rocky IV, Stallone, and I saw the man and I said, man, if this guy can look like this, I want to, go to the gym. And I started working out. I'm 6'1.5", and I weigh about 90 kilos. So I need to look big. Sparta!
It's not so much today about the way you work out, it's a lot more about the way you live your life. Fitness is like a tripod stand. Good food, good exercise, and good sleep. Without one, it falls.